So let us continue with modals. What are modals? Modals are kind of helping verbs, words which help framing sentences and questions. That is, can, could, may, might, will, shall, would, should, do, does, did, etc. So modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries are kind of helping verbs. They are used to express ideas in terms of ability, possibility, permission or obligation. Though earlier we have spoken, that is, are, was and were are helping verbs, but modals are considered as helping verbs as well. Examples of modals are can, could, may, might, shall, should, must, have to, will, would. Can or could. Can and could are used to express a lot of different ideas when we talk about English. To talk about ability or lack of ability, can or cannot. Can't. Can is used in present and future tense. Let's take a look at a few examples. William can write good novels. I can help you finish your work. He cannot ride a bicycle. Could and couldn't could used in the past tense. Let's take a look at a few examples. When I was young, I could climb trees. I could have come yesterday if I didn't have the meeting. Raj could not finish his work as he was unwell. To give permission or to ask permission, we use can and cannot. Asking permission. Can I borrow your car for a day? Can I have a glass of water? Giving permission. You can borrow my car for a day. You can have a glass of water. Could. In terms of asking permission, could, though a past tense, can also be used in the present tense. It is considered to be polite way of asking permission. The softer version of can, I can say. Asking permission. Could I have your number? Could I talk to your parents? To talk about possibilities and impossibilities. Can and cannot. You can take the bus at 4 p.m. You can't see the doctor now as he is busy. Couldn't. I could reach Pune by 6 a.m. tomorrow if I took a bus at 5 p.m. today. Raj could not make it to the movie. May or may not. To give formal permission. You may start your test now. Raj may get his certificate verified by the principal. You may not write in capital letters. To make polite request, we can use may. May I help you? May I come in? May I talk to you after some time? May I switch off the fan? May I switch off the light? Like this, to make a polite request, you can use may. And to talk about possibility or negative possibility, may and might. We may go out dinner tonight. Do you want to join us? That means we may go out dinner tonight means we are still not sure. Still it is not decided. Just it's a plan. Our company might get the order if the client agrees to the price. So here also still there is a possibility. Our company might get the order if the client agrees to the price. That means if the client agrees what the price the company has offered, then the company will get the order. Otherwise company will not get the order. Mary and John may not buy that house. It's very expensive. They may not buy. Why? Because it's expensive. They might not buy a house at all. It might rain tonight. That means ಇವತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. I may come tomorrow morning. That means still I am not sure. I may come. So when you are not sure, when it is just a possibility, you can talk about may. You can use may and might. To make a suggestion, you may as well come inside. John will be home soon. We might as well take Friday off. There is no work to be done anyway. To make a polite suggestion, you might want to try this dress. Shall, should, ought to. To make a polite suggestion when you are quite sure of a positive answer. Shall we go for a walk? Shall is only used with I or we. Should I call a doctor? The next scenario, to predict or expect that something will happen. Should or shouldn't. The construction should be finished on time. I shouldn't be late. The train usually arrives on time. To give advice, should or ought to. You should check that document before you send it out. You ought to have your car serviced before the winter. To give advice about something you think wrong or unacceptable. Shouldn't. Raj shouldn't teach him words like those. Must have to, need to, don't have to. Or talk to about necessity or requirement, present and future. So from here onwards, we'll see in the next video. So if you like the video, please share, like, subscribe to the channel and forward these videos and share these videos with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. For more details, you can visit my website pramodthecoach.in. I am a digital skill trainer, that is digital marketing trainer and soft skill trainer and a computer trainer. Thank you. See you in the next video.